Hi everyone, welcome to Unit 6, Week 5, Day 1. So we're going to start with some phonemic awareness first. I'm going to say some sounds and we're going to put them together first. And then I'll tell you the next part. T, ap, tap. Now I'm going to say those sounds backwards and make a new word. P, at, pat. Listen as I blend these sounds. Is, kiss. Now I will say the sounds backwards. S, ick, sick. Okay, let's do a few more. G, mug. G, gum. Et, net. T, ten. P, ack, pack. K, app, cap. S, op. Oh, st, op, stop. P, ot, spots. S, b, sub. B, bus. Okay, so let's look at our new card for the week. So this is called the chair card, and all of these make the air sound. So we have AIR, air as in chair. ARE, air as in care. EAR, wear as in air. And then we have ERE, and I can't think of one off the top of my head, but we will see one. Okay, let's make those sounds. Air, 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 air. Air, 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 air. Air, 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 air. Now, here's the thing. ARE does say R, like, are you okay? But today we're using ARE as an air sound. Now we know EA can say E, but today it's going to say air. Okay, let's blend. Air, blend. Fair, like going to the fair. Air. Blend. Rare, that means there's not very many of something. Now, you might want to say pear, but that's not right. So it's air. Blend, pear. And a pear is a fruit that you eat. Okay, let's look at these. Air, sh. Now this R or air, st, ch. Ear or air, spur, R, E, ing, I, spole. One second. Let me get up there. Thur, ow, or o, Okay, so let's circle the ones we will be focusing on today. Let me go down here. We will be focusing on air, air, and air. Okay, so here we go. 3, 2, 1, air. Now that's like the air we breathe. Okay, blend. 3, air, blend, fair. Air, blend, care. T, blend, air, tear. Oh, actually, that's not tear. Yeah, it is tear. It's also tear. See how tricky that is? It's tear, like you tear up something. Okay, here we go. W, air, blend, wear, like you wear something. P, air, pear. Air, share. Now maybe you're tempted to say R, but would shar be a word? No, so it'd be share. Okay, here we go. Ch, blend, air, chair. Air, blend, hair. B, air, bear. Now this is not like a bear, like a bear. This is like a bear that you see in the wild. Okay, ready? Bull, air, blare. Oh, blared. D, air, blend, dare. Oh, dared. It's in the past. Okay, so this time I'm going to highlight the part that says air or whatever other pattern we're noticing, and I'm going to give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, wear. 3, 2, 1, war. So O-R-E says or, E-A-R says ear or air. 3, 2, 1, bear. Now this is like a bear you see in the forest. Okay, 3, 2, 1, bar. 3, 2, 1, star. 3, 2, 1, stare. Now maybe you wanted to say star again, but this is star and this is stare. Stare means you're like looking at someone a lot. 3, 2, 1, street. 3, 2, 1, spring. 3, oh, it's actually this pattern. 3, 2, 1, splash. 3, 2, 1, 3. 3, 2, 1, right. 3, 2, 1, no. Okay, let's read our sentence. ER says her, red, hair, blue in the air. Did that bear stare at Claire? Now Claire's a name, so proper noun, so we're going to have a capital there. Okay, one more sentence. I will share my pear with Blair. Now Blair is a name, Claire is a name, they both have AIR. Okay, so you will be doing your spelling either on Spelling City or in your packet. Okay, these are some high frequency words. Now I'm not exactly sure if these are the ones you'll be tested on next week, so I will create a mini video for that. Favorite. I wonder what your favorite food is. Few. I chose a few books to surprise you. Gone. Claire has gone to the beach. Surprise. I chose a few books to surprise you. Now you'll notice it's UR is surprise, but we all say surprise, so we kind of ignore the R. Wonder. I wonder what your favorite food is. Young. A kitten is a young cat. The car. Okay, an adverb is a word that tells more about the action in a sentence. So a verb is an action. An adverb can tell how an action happened. So the key for knowing an adverb is generally they have ly. So listen to this example. The cars in the 4th of July parade drive slowly. If you said the adverb was slowly, you are correct. So the verb is drive. That's what they were doing. But the adverb was slowly. And slowly tells you how it's happening. Okay, let's do another one. Remember, ly is generally the adverb. The adverb has an ly at the end. The band plays loudly. If you said loudly, you are correct. ly. That's an adverb. It tells how they're playing. They're playing loudly. They're not playing softly. Okay, last one. Clowns run quickly around the floats. If you said your adverb is quickly, you are correct. And that's what they're running quickly. They're not running slowly. Okay, let's find a few more. We're looking for the adverb. The teacher spoke softly. 3, 2, 1, softly. She asked the children to neatly hang up their coats. 3, 2, 1. The adverb is neatly. And last of all, the children quietly put their things away. 3, 2, 1. Quietly. That's how they're doing something. Now, we did not go over some of the review words, so I'm going to write a few of these. Okay, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Spool. 3, 2, 1. Stir. That's all I can really think of right this second. Okay, thanks everyone for watching.